jail.
Ms. Lopez, would you come forward, please?
Back in Judge Ito's court, the prosecution's case is interrupted by a potential alibi witness for Simpson, Rosa Lopez.
Do you speak Spanish? No. Rosa?
Lopez was a live-in maid next door to the Simpson home. She claims to have seen Simpson's car outside his estate at the time of the killings, but she has disappeared to escape the media blitz.
Well, we'd like to have her back, but I mean, El Salvador's not a world away. The judge did say that we can go to El Salvador. She, I think, stands by what she says. She's just afraid of all the people coming at her.
Lopez is not in El Salvador, but when she surfaces, she says she plans to leave for that Central American country almost immediately.
Ms. Lopez, do you understand my order to return here on
Judge Ito orders Lopez to testify and then decides to videotape her testimony without the jury present to keep from disrupting the prosecution's case.
Sí, señor, entiendo. Estaba un carro blanco, Bronco.
There was a white car, a Bronco.
Lopez says she saw Simpson's white Bronco outside Simpson's house at 10:15 or 10:20. If true, the information would scuttle the prosecution's case against Simpson. But on cross-examination by prosecutor Christopher Darden, Lopez backs down on the question of time.
Yo solamente dije, después de las 10.
All I said was that it was after 10.
And so you don't know how long after 10.
Así es que usted no sabe cuánto tiempo después de las 10.
No, señor.
No, sir.
After a tumultuous week, Simpson attorney Robert Shapiro says he doesn't know if he'll show Lopez's testimony to the jury.
I think she obviously has been inconsistent in some of her testimony, but she has been unwavering in other parts.
And did you see?
Before shifting the prosecution's case to the trail of blood, Clark questions Kalin about Simpson's behavior the day after the killings.
When you went back to Rockingham on June the 13th and you saw the defendant, was he crying?
No.
Did he speak to you about Nicole at all?
No.
Isn't it true, sir, that the only conversation you had with the defendant back at Rockingham had to do with whether or not you could say he was at home that night between 9:35 and 11 p.m.?
Oh.
Somewhat, yes.
And can you tell this jury where the defendant was between 9:35 and 11 p.m., sir?
No, I cannot.
Media from around the world watch every move in the trial and report it from Camp OJ across the street from the courthouse.
I can't sign any autographs, I'm sorry.
All the attention makes the attorneys celebrities.